once a symbol of freedom.
Extensive neglect is obvious. That starburst pattern on the windshield is classic. See how the rust is eaten through the chrome and flaking paint on the fenders? As we examine the Beetle's surface, the intricate details of its neglect become apparent. Large sections of paint have detached, revealing a deeply...
Winding road. This old bug's seen better days, huh? Quiet end.
Okay, let's hit this fender hard. That should loosen it up. We're making progress. Keep scrubbing.
All right, let's get that fender off. This bumper is stubborn, needs more force. Watch the wiring in the back. All right, let's get this trim off carefully. Got it?
Perfect.
This floor panel is stuck tight. Okay, let's get this final mount free. Careful with the pry bar, try not to bend the floor. Got it loose. Let's move to the dash next. Here is eaten through. See the pitting?
Yes, and it's warped the surrounding metal. Yeah.
Let's mark this section for repair.
Agrees.
Keep going, just a little more rust left there. Almost got it. Nice, looking clean now. Yep. Okay, switch to the cutters. Get rid of that lip.
Hit this with the grinder first.
Hit this with the grinder. Watch out for those shavings. Nice, that's looking much cleaner. Almost done here. Now for the precision cuts. In here. Almost got it loose, just a bit more. Checking for any play now. I think that's got it. Oh, perfect, just like factory. Ensure the timing marks align exactly. Keep a steady hand on the torque wrench.
Right, I see it now. Just one more adjustment.
Perfect, we're almost there. Lives. You can see here the heavy corrosion on the overhead camshaft. Yes, the rocker arms are completely tarnished. Finding replacements for the... All right, here are the parts we need. This ribbed chrome trim looks perfect, and the hubcap has no dents. All right, let's see what we've got here. This looks like the new windshield, hubcaps, and chrome for the 70 Beetle. Bowls are in good shape, but this engine needs some serious work. Let's get to it. You can really feel the difference now that it's clean. Yeah,
it looks brand new.
But we still need to check for cracks. The block is set, now for the cylinder head, rings, and gaskets.
Looks like it's all aligning. Keep torquing.
That's the last one, ready for installation.
Excellent work.
The team carefully inspects the components, ensuring they are properly seated and secure. We zoom in to appreciate the
precision. Spec seams right here. We've got a solid bleed, no air left in the line. Nice. Let's install the final seals and check the tension.
All right, base coat is looking excellent. Just need to verify the finish under the scope. Moving on to the door panel now. Keep the pressure steady, nice and even passes. Got it, looks like a perfect finish here. Just need to hit the roof and we're done.
Keep that rhythm going.
Looking good. Coverage is even.
Nice reflection on the hood, man.
The front fender looks perfect. Checking the roof, seems uniform. Good, let's let it cure for another hour. Keep it slow and steady. We're looking for that smooth, even texture. Just need to knock down these final orange peel spots. All right, first we want to address these imperfections with some fine grit sanding.
Я не надеюсь, чуть-чуть пацаны. И короче, что достаточно, то был стратик, это вже помидорська вовк пробил. Вже далі мусить.
Perfect fit. Just need to smooth out these edges now. Looks flawless. That's a factory job. Sure, the tension is even along this edge.
Check the measurements again, just to be sure.
Nice and tight. Now for the adhesive.
The restoration continues, and here we have the original glass removed, revealing the beauty beneath. Now with the
taillight removal tool gives us the access we need. All right, lowering it down now. Steady, steady. Looks perfect. Give it a tighten on the left.
All right, radiator's in.
All right,
Time to attack the hoses and fill it up.
Make sure the clamp is perfectly aligned.
That's on, man.
Okay, got it. Hold steady.
The manifold is seated.
Ready to weld it.
Starting the bead now.
Check the alignment.
Tightening the bolts.
All right, cylinder head is seated. Now for the intake manifold bolts. All right, lowering the manifold into place. Careful now. Good. Now the bolts. Tighten them in sequence. Just right. Excellent fit. Looks brand new. And this up here. Looking good and perfect. Let's do the badges next. The engine oil filler cap looks perfect.
Yep. Careful with the pour. Smoothly now.
Nice and steady, filling the transmission pan.
All right, lowering the tank now. Make sure the gasket's straight.
easy, easy, watch that rim.
The 1970 Beetle is back in all its glory. Every part, from the engine to the interior, has been... Restoration is complete. Behold the beauty of this classic.
Look at that chrome.
Ready for the road. This 70 Beetle is an absolute jewel. The paint just glows. Look at that perfect. And the engine.
Welcome to the showcase of this immaculate 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. Observe the prestige.